one of the, I would say, the biggest archdiocese in all of Asia and in the Philippines. Now, when Pope John Paul II approved this devotion, and he canonized St. Faustina in late Jubilee 2000, the whole world accepted this devotion, and then it became a part of the structure of the church. Now, I think that was last year, 2018, when the World Apostolic Congress of Mercy was held in Manila. The Divine Mercy was announced that it become part of the Vatican Dicastery under the Sacred Congregation of Evangelization. And it is now part of the mission of the church to evangelize the world through God's mercy. Now, Cebu, being an archdiocese, we have a structure of the Divine Mercy. And we are trying to reach out to all the parishes in the whole archdiocese so that our people would embrace this devotion so that they would also experience the love and mercy of God in their lives. Now, why we have this project? You know, Pope Francis said, mere devotion is not complete. Just as any other devotion of the church, Divine Mercy is part of that devotion. But this is not just a mere devotion. It is a way of life. And hence, we have to practice mercy. And to practice mercy, we have to do acts of mercy. Now we come to this project. This has been conceived by all devotees of the Divine Mercy since the time the Divine Mercy came to Cebu in the 1990s, that there should be a place where we can build a shrine dedicated to the honor of God's mercy. Thank God, we have the Gomo family who in their generosity offered to donate a parcel of their property in Garing, Consolacion, 6.3 hectares. Ihatag nila, i-donate nila sa simbahan sa Cebu from the abundance of their heart, and we are grateful to them. That's why they are here. My own personal observation about this project, because modesty aside, I was the one who really looked for the place. And we have that in Garing, Consolacion. Since the time I worked in the Divine Mercy devotion in Archdiocese of Cebu, I was always thinking for a place where we can have a house, a center for the Divine Mercy. And now we have this project. I was also thinking that Cebu is really attractive to so many tourists. One of the tourist attractions in the Philippines is Cebu. But who are these tourists? These are pleasure tourists. These are what we call business tourists. Some are here for health tourism, but none of a religious tourism. And that is why we are here. To offer something different from those people coming to Cebu. Not just tourists, but pilgrims. Pilgrims of the Divine Mercy. And hopefully, with our concerted efforts, with your cooperation and the cooperation of everybody, we hope that this dream will fully realize with God's help. Thank you so much, and I will say together with St. Paul, may God who has begun good work in us bring it to fulfillment. Thank you.